Cobain, quit that.
What are you doing? I need the stuffing.
Yeah, he's got stuffing out of that fella.
Obey.
Oh, you're in trouble now.
Should I take it away from him?
Better get some evidence on here for his mom. Oh, Mommy's got to give you a bath when she gets home. Yeah, Mom's going to give you a bath, pulling the stuffings right out of that. Uh-oh. Somebody's in trouble.